Hello. In this video, you will learn how to create effective learning objectives. Setting clear learning objectives helps achieve the end results. Creating effective learning objectives is easy with these 3 simple steps. Let's use an example where the goal is for learners to understand the 3 steps of project management. Step 1. Create a STEM. For instance, by the end of this course, you will be able to. Step 2. Add a verb. This specifies a clearly observable and measurable action. For a list of action verbs, refer to Bloom's taxonomy. In our example, we'll use identify. Step 3. Determine the actual product, process, or outcome. In just 3 simple steps, you've crafted a clear and effective learning objective. Thank you for watching.